Yeah, so the first thing is that most people think that the Nephilim are actually just giants in the past, just they don't think in terms of great kings, great heroes, as it's actually explicitly stated in Genesis and so forth. The other problem is that they, for example, read the book of Enoch, which dates from about 300 BC. And in reading it, they believe that this gives us a good view of what happened in the time before the deluge. Now, that's more than 3,000 years before that time. Yeah. So that's just not the case. The book of Enoch, or books of Enoch, picks a lot up from the Mesopotamian tradition, also from Jewish tradition. It connects with the biblical tradition. But the point of the matter is, the book of Enoch cannot be taken as a reliable source with regard to the historical situation in the time before the deluge, the time of Enoch, etc. So although it's insightful and we can get some basic motives, that's not wrong in the book of Enoch, we should actually rather look at other extra biblical sources that date from that early period.